Hello YouTube and welcome to the Florida Keys. Last night I went out and I set out some pinfish traps. So hopefully we have some nice live baits that we're gonna take out to the Patch Reefs and catch some big old fish. We are taking a South Florida Fishing Club winner fishing on the boat with us today. If you guys are not up to date, we have the South Florida Fishing Club where every Wednesday I give out fishing prizes. And the first of every month we give out 3 big prizes, and the first place prize last month was a bass fishing trip with me. And we were gonna go bass fishing today, but I hit up Daniel and I said, would you rather go on the boat instead of bass fishing? We can go bass fishing if you want, but we can also go head out to the Patch Reefs. And he said, let's go on the boat. So a slight upgrade of the prize. And now I'm gonna fuel up the boat, get a sandwich, we'll get some bait and ice. My buddy Jordan will also be joining us, and it's time to head out. All right, we got the boat loaded down, lots of rods. We got some shrimp. We got Daniel on the boat. Are you excited?
I'm excited, and I can't wait to go fishing. This will be a lot of fun.
Hopefully it won't be too wavy. We got Jordan up on the bow, and time to untie, get some bait, and head to the Patch Reefs. What we got? And oh, I see some pinfish in there. What is all that shit in there? Oh, that's chum. Damn. Okay, there's not that many, but
There's more.
hey, there's a little blue claw in there. Little pinfishies in there hopping around. So your trap, man, you got the good trap. Oh yeah, that's a fat trap. Yeah, that looks like a healthy dozen in there. Come all them happy little pinfish. Look at all them pinfish. We made it out to the Patch Reefs. We were in about 35-40 feet of water, anchored up. Pretty rough out today. I got soaked on the way out. Classic. Jordan's got another. Oh, that was kind of a nice one. That was a decent yellowtail. Oh, damn.
Right at the boat.
Oh, another hookup. Let's see what Daniel's gonna bring up here. It looks like a yellowtail. One of the prettiest fish in the ocean. I always ask people, do you know why it's called a yellowtail?
What's that?
Because it's got a yellow tail. Damn, I need to think of a better joke for that. Jordan might be bringing a keeper on board here. Oh, yeah, nice yellowtail right there. Oh, what you catch? Oh, okay, that might be a keeper mangrove snapper. Oh, they're getting bigger. I'm going super light action now. I got a piece of squid on my little jig here. 8-pound braid. I might regret this if something big bites, but here we go. Just gonna chuck it way out there. I'm chucking it real far back. Did yours even make it to the bottom? Oh, already on.
Yeah, it's like right when it hit.
I was, but I got my rod stuck in the stupid net up there. Oh, I'm on, but he's a small one. Dude, the second it touches the water. Mangrove snapper.
Old bandit.
I love the Patch Reef mangroves because they look so clean and like healthy. That's a keeper? That's good when you know right away it's a keeper. Not. Woo, look at that fat boy. Oh,
Come on.
get him in. Oh, whoa, yeah. Damn, that's a stud.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
All right, that's a keeper for sure. Ooh, look how big his head starts to get. Damn, yeah, nice, good work. Yeah, there we go. That's good. Nice. I think I got my bait rod. Oh, dude, I'm just flicking my jig right now, and they're attacking it. Oh, I'm on. Wait, he came off. No, he's on. He's on. There we go. Little yellowtail. I got a grunt. That's the first grunt on the boat. If he was a big grunt, I'd keep him, but be free, grunt. Oh, mangrove. Oh, fat one, stud. That's definitely the biggest one yet.
Yeah, I threw a bigger piece of bait there.
Ooh, bigger bait, bigger fish. I like it. Oh, we got another hookup over here. Oh, yep. Oops. That's a nice yellowtail. That's a keeper for sure. He probably just feels like a big fish. Oh. Oh no, why not again? Give me my snapper back.
Bring him over here.
Oh no, I want my snapper back. Shoot him. Oh.
Hey, hold him there. Hold him in the water. Hold him in the water. You got the snapper.
Oh man, he got shredded. The barracudas are going hard today.
Hey, but it wasn't as bad as it could have been.
That's true. I thought he was going to lose the whole tail. Look at that damage he took. He's a keeper too. He was probably like, do I want to go with the barracuda or go on the boat? What do they call that? A dead man walking. Sending down a live shrimp. Let's see what that brings up. 18-inch yellowtail. That's what I'm putting in my order in for.
Are we staying in this spot?
Little yellowtail. Welcome aboard, yellowtail.
I was wondering if those are still around. Are we running out of time?
Yeah, that might be a big mutton. If he's taking drag like that, I don't even think you're gaining on him. Damn, that's on a shrimp. Nice. I see him. That's a mutton.
No
It's
way.
a mutton. It's a mutton. Yeah. I'm pretty sure either that or a massive mangrove. Wait, no.
Trigger.
Oh, it's a damn it. I thought.
Hey, those things do fight though.
That's a big trigger. Wow. He's still a netter. That's a big trigger fish. Damn. Woo! Got him.
It's a big boy.
That's two big triggers. You know, I haven't put a trigger on the boat in a while. It's good to see him again, back in action. Of course, we're getting the decks nice and... Yeah, they got a crazy mouth. Oh yeah. Solid fish right there.
Good one.
Good work. Today in the kitchen, we're gonna do something I haven't done before. I have mangrove snapper and Cero mackerel in this bag, and we're gonna make fish cake. Yeah, yes, fish cakes. Now, normally I would skin the potatoes, but I was looking for my potato peeler, and it turns out it's missing. This is where things get exciting. The potatoes are done. We'll pour them in our bowl. And I think that I have way more fish in proportion to potatoes. I probably need twice as many potatoes, but I have a lot of fish. This right here is the Cero mackerel. This right here is the mangrove snapper. And I'm just going to kind of dice it up a bit. Throw all that in there. Let's add some seasonings. We have the South Florida Fishing Channel Fish and Game garlic and onion. Just give a nice little healthy dose. Salt. Very last but not least, the egg. Plop. Perfect. Oh boy, this is gonna be a lot harder than expected. What do y'all think? Does that look good? Oops. Our fish cakes have been frying for 12 minutes now. No idea if they're done or not, but let's take them out and then we will check them. Moment of truth. Trying new foods gets me mega excited. Let's just take it. Oops. Let's give it a bite. Ooh, hot. Crunchy little onions in there. Love it. Very soft. It's very soft because of the mashed potatoes, so the onions give it a nice crunch. And so does the fried outside. And it all blends in so nice and fluffy and creamy and soft, like kind of like a cake. I'm so happy I have another 4 in the making. I'm gonna be eating these all night long. Fish cakes, catch and cook. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Please hit that like button and leave a comment. It helps my channel so much. And of course, as always, SouthFloridaFishingChannel.com. Go get yourself something if you want to support the channel so I can keep making videos just like this one. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.